Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. I'm in a good mood. I'm ready to ride some e-bike.
Woo! She's ready to ride some e-bike. Hey, look, it rained just briefly, like for 3 minutes or something this morning, because there was one small, skinny little line of showers, and that was it. So hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. It's not supposed to rain anymore today.
Yeah, I hope not.
It's a like 3% chance of rain.
3%.
Today. Yeah.
That's still a percentage.
It is. So Amanda and I, hey, well, hold on. Let's use this fancy camera. Head spin. Try to give you guys a warning when I spin that camera around. So Amanda and I are going to go pick up the free trike that we're getting from Gary over at Gary e-bike Adventures. His sister lives in town. I told you that story. She bought it off of where? Oh, she bought it off of Amazon, but then she canceled the order. They gave her a refund, plus they sent her the trike. They didn't want it back. She doesn't want this thing. It's supposedly in like 1 million pieces, so it's going to be one of these deals where we're going to have to assemble everything on this thing. I mean,
it's going to be a project bike.
It's a project bike. Only problem is we don't have a whole lot of room for project bikes, so we're going to figure that out, see what we're going to do. So guys, check this out. We were just sitting here discussing. We've got, oh, my camera, it won't tilt. It's trying to keep the horizon. See, we got to learn how to use this stupid camera. It's not working. Somebody help me. Oh, I think I can do that. And then I think I can do that. No, maybe that. No, that's not it either. Oh no, that's okay. Hey, we got this bike here from 630. That's a trike. We're picking up another trike today. We're getting a Freedair Sega. If you're familiar with the Freedair brand, that's going to arrive on Friday. I missed the shipping window. It should have been here like yesterday, and I didn't know it, and they had to make an appointment, and I missed a phone call, and so when I rescheduled, they said, sorry, you got to wait a week. So anyway, that's coming next Friday. Next Thursday, we're getting a small little bike from Ansky. Got to figure that one out. Plus, we got notification this morning that FedEx has got something they're delivering on Tuesday. Yeah, I have no idea what it is. We've got nothing else scheduled in right now. Yet they got a 91-pound box that they're going to deliver on Tuesday. So we don't know. Don't know. I've been in contact with a few companies. We've been kind of kicking things around, but nothing's been decided, and I don't know. So, yeah, just talked to a gentleman who might be back to pick up. Oh, I got to figure this camera out. It might be back to pick up the Zoda Zephyr for his father. He just came and looked at it. He kind of likes it. He wants to think about it. So we have 3 bikes that we're selling. Nothing else in here is going to be sold right away. We're keeping everything else for now. But something is still going to have to move to storage, so we're going to have to get a couple more moved out. Yesterday, Amanda and I worked on, see how clean that looks back there? Amanda and I worked on some organization. We got some much stuff put away in the cabinets. That was Amanda's side of the room. See that? Real nice over there? Yeah, real nice. And this was my side of the room. Yeah, I didn't do so well, did I? That's because, Amanda's better at organization than I am. Let's see here. What else we got going on? That's it. Hey, I'm going to make this short. Wow, I've only been talking for 3 minutes and 50 seconds. This is short. Hey, we got things to do. We're going to see you guys in another video real soon. Stick around if you're new here. Subscribe because we got content for everybody. Don't we, Amanda?
Yeah, absolutely.
Content for everybody. We like to ride solo. We like to ride in groups. We like to have fun. We hang out here in the garage and work on stuff. We do maintenance type things. We do bike reviews. We do accessory reviews. Yeah, we got something for everybody, so might as well stick around. Hey, you're here, right? So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See you in another video real soon.